Hello and welcome to my system.io community tutorial. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a community in system.io. So watch this video till the end. And by the way, if you want system.io lifetime free account without giving your credit card detail, then a special affiliate link is in the video description. By using the link given in the video description, you can get system.io lifetime free account without giving your credit card detail. And suppose if you are planning to purchase system.io paid plans, then also you can use the 3 links that are given in the video description to get discount on system.io startup plan, webinar plan and unlimited plan. So all the links are in the video description. Just go and check it out. So it is very easy to create a community in system.io. For this, you need to go to this asset menu, and from here you need to click on this community option. When you will click on it, then you will see a page like this. There is showing nothing because I have not created any community yet. So to create a community, all you need to do is just click on this create button. From here you can give your community a name. Let's say my community name is Content Creator Accelerator, and from here you can select your domain name. If you have not added a custom domain, then you can use the free domain which is provided by system.io, but I have added my domain name, so I'm going to use this one. And in the path section you can write your community URL path, and from here you can select automatic post approval. If you want to enable it, then you can enable it, and if you want to disable automatic post approval, then you can disable it. It is totally up to you. So for now I have enabled it, and let's click on save button. So as you can see, it has created a community for us which is Content Creator Accelerator, and if you will click on this 3 dot, then you can view this community. You can do all the settings if you want, and suppose if you want to delete this community, then you can click on delete button. Okay, so first let me open this community. So to open this community, all you need to do is just click on this particular link which is showing here. Just click on it, and as you can see, it will open your community in a new tab. From here, what you need to do first is go to the setting tab. From here we are going to do all the settings that are required in our community. Okay, so obviously first is our community name which we have already set, so we don't need to change it. And if you want to change the URL path, then you can change it from here, and here you can add banner for your community. So let me choose a file from my PC, and I'm gonna select this particular one. Let me open it. So let me select this particular area, and let me click on click to upload button. Okay, so as you can see, I have successfully added banner in my community. So next thing is community type. So same as Facebook group, you can make your community private community or public community. If you will make your community a private community, then only those people can join your community who will get the invitation link from you, that is from owner. Okay, and if you will make your community public community, then anyone can view and join your community. Okay, just like Facebook group. And next thing is automatic post approvals. If you want that members post will be published once approved by an admin, then you can disable this. Okay, so for now I'm going to enable this, and let's click on save. Okay, so we have done all the settings. Now next thing is we need to create some topics, that is category for our community. If you will not create any topic, and if you will directly try to publish anything, okay, then it will not let you publish this post. Okay, you first have to create topics. Okay, so that's why we need to create categories, that is topics for our community. So my community name is Content Creator Accelerator, and let me create some topics like affiliate marketing, and let's click on add topic, and let me add another topic, tutorials. Okay, and it will automatically create the path for you, and let me click on add topic, and let me create one more, content creation tips. Okay, and let me click on add topic, and let me create one more topic which is general discussion. Okay, let me click on add topic. Now let me give you demo of how to create a post inside your community. So if you want to post anything, then it is just like a Facebook group. You need to click on this write something button. So let's say I want to welcome the members in my community, so I will write welcome to Content Creator Accelerator, and path, it will automatically take the path. You can simply write welcome here, or you can select your path according to your requirement, and you can select topic from here. So it is general discussion type post, and here is my post, welcome to Content Creator Accelerator. You are here because you want real growth, not just motivation and all these things. And after that you can add any emoji if you want. Okay, suppose if you want to add any emoji, then you can simply add it like this. If you want to attach any file, then you can click here and you can attach any file. And suppose if you want to add a video in this particular post, then you can click on this video icon and from here you can add link of your YouTube video, Facebook video, Twitch video, Vimeo video, Wistia video or Loom video link. Okay, next one is gifts. So if you want to add some gifts in your post, then you can search any gift from here like welcome, and you can select any gift from here. And if you want to schedule this post, then you can select the schedule this post option, and you can also schedule this post. Okay, so this is a cool feature, I can say. You can select date and time from here if you want, but I don't want to schedule it, so I'm gonna turn it off and let me click on add post. So as you can see, I have successfully posted this particular post in my community. If anyone will see this post, then they can click on see more button to check this entire post. Okay, as you can see, and if they want to like it, then they can like it like this, same as Facebook group. And if they want to comment on it, then they can click on here and they can write their comment here, and also in the comment they can add any file, they can add video, gifs, link, they can mention other members, and also they can add emojis. Okay, so I hope you got it. I forgot to mention one more thing, that suppose if your community is a private community, then in this case you have to invite members in your community. For this you need to go to this members tab, and from here you can invite any member by clicking on invite new member button. From here you can write email address of member like this. Okay, and you can invite them. Okay, just click on invite button after adding their email address, and you can invite them in your community. And suppose if you want to copy your group URL and if you want to share it with other people, then you can copy the URL of your community like this, and you can share it with anyone. Whenever anyone will open this, then they will see something like this. Would you like to join the content creator accelerator community? They need to enter their email address and they can simply join the community. Okay, so in this way you can invite members inside your community. Okay, and suppose if you want to post any video content in your community, then let me quickly show you a demo. Let's say I want to post my YouTube video that I have just published about system.io tutorial for beginners. So let me write a post about it. So as you can see, I have written title, just uploaded a new video for you guys, just uploaded a new video. It is a path, and I have selected tutorial category, that is topic from here, and I have written my post here. I will click on this YouTube video link and let me paste my system.io tutorial for beginners video link here, and after that I will click on confirm button. So as you can see, it has successfully added this video. I can click on add post. So in this way I can post videos inside my community, and if any member want to read this post, then they can click here and they can read this entire post, and they can click on this video to watch this particular video. Okay, so I hope now you understood how to create a community in system.io platform. Even after watching this system.io community tutorial, if you still have any confusion, then please let me know via comment below. I will reply as soon as possible. And if you found this system.io community tutorial video helpful, then please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this.